Guys, welcome to Savage Slime Time. Time. Sorry, it's not working. These ones are really small. So today, first video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So first of all, you want your glue. Now I'm going to be making some fluffy slime. Okay, and you will need some shaving foam. This is only 3 ingredients for me. And then there's this kind of really strange spray. It's spray starch, or you can use liquid starch. Borax does not work for me. So yeah, because I tried it on my birthday yesterday and it just didn't want to work. So yeah. And anyway, you want to mix it in, and it's starting to go like this. The spray lasts forever, I think. So yeah. Whee! Okay, you want to put your hand in. So I've still got shaving foam on me. So keep adding your solution. If borax works for you, then you can do it. You can buy this spray starch in the shop. I think I'm the only person who uses it for slime in the world. I've not seen one video with someone using that in their slime. Okay, then you just want to kind of mix it again, and when you still get the consistency onto your hand, add the spray and a bit more glue. Now you want to mix it. So now you should have this slime consistency. I try to get all the bits of slime off of the edge. Now what I do is I wash my hands, and basically I see if any of the shaving foam comes up. And my hands. So none comes off of my hands. So this is a good time for you to take it out and play with it. Okay, now I am going to colour mine, and I'm going to add it to my other fluffy slime, which I did not make a video on, but I did go live to make it. And this is my fluffy slime, this is going to be added to it. So since that fluffy slime is green, I'm going to add a blue to it, a blue colour to it. I'm using paint to colour it because I don't want to use food colouring to make it that really dark or really light blue. Yeah. I need to dab it. And then I'm going to add some green. Okay. Yeah? No. I'm doing a YouTube video. And mix it. And you don't have to mix it, but then that is your fluffy slime. If it's still sticky, add water. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. To see more, subscribe. and turn the bell on, notifications, and yeah. To make it not sticky. Oh, that went fast. Ah, ah, ah. I've still got like a lot of this. So I'm